Hello guys, welcome to this video right here. And in this video I want to show you how I grew my portfolio, the trading, stock market, day trading, investing in stocks that pay dividend, and also more. As you can see, I started with a very small capital, and you can see all this way I've been investing the market, and this portfolio has been steadily rising. As you can see, I started in the $147 mark all the way to $1,000, and all this is just in a period of 1 month. I did this in a month, and this is why I'm sharing these results with you guys, because I know this is a strategy that will help each and every person right here, and this is why I'm teaching you this. Since with the Robinhood brokerage account, you can make your money work for you, because they offer a variety of assets. Robinhood offers a variety of assets that you can invest in, from stocks to options. In another video, I had shown you how we were trading Tesla stock options, and we won big with the Tesla stock options. And now I wanna tell you that in Robinhood you can invest over 5,000 stocks with Robinhood Financial, including most US equities listed on US exchanges. And so you know, this is what I want to share with you in this video, exactly how I do this. And I know, based on the proof I'm showing you right now, you will be amazed at how this, since I'm telling you it's just within a period of 1 month. Even if you can check these dates right here, you can make money on Robinhood by holding stocks that will pay dividends, and then you can reinvest the dividends to earn compound interest. And besides this, you can earn money by asset appreciation. This means that you sell something for a higher price than you purchased it for, and generally this is making profit, since you're selling something at a more higher price than what you bought it. Stock markets and index funds play essential roles for people who want to make money by investing in stocks. While getting rich via stock investment may seem easy, yes it is, but also it is possible to lose money. It would help if you diversified your investments for minimum risk. And when it comes to diversifying your investment, this is exactly what I do. I diversify my portfolio. I have a piece of every stock, especially those in the top 500, in the SPY list. I research some of the best performing companies there that pay dividends, and which I feel that I can invest in. And when I do this, it becomes perfect. And you minimize the risk. You minimize your risk. So how do I invest in stocks? This Robinhood, have found it to be a user-friendly app that offers commission-free trading to buy any stock from your phone. Since there's some time I can trade from my phone, but to have good display of the charts, I prefer to trade on my PC, and generally have like 2 to 3 display screens You can have 2 to 3 if you are a day trader, but if you are there for the long term, so I decide to stay for the long term most of the time, since I also want to get those dividends. And if you are doing this, you don't need many screens, just need one. And you also receive free stock when you refer someone else to Robinhood. This is something that you should know. For those wanting to join, I'll drop the link at the description area below. And even if you join, it is free. It's free to join Robinhood. And so you can make money on Robinhood by holding stocks that will pay dividends, and you can then reinvest the dividend to earn compound interest, and beside this, earn money through stock appreciation, as I told you. And some of the strategies I use, this is a trick I'm sharing with you on winning big on this platform. As you can see, this is how my trends look like. This is how my trends have been going. And one of the tricks that I want to give you, it is using a philosophy known as buy low, sell high. This is mostly what I utilize in my portfolio. This is when I find that there has been some profit, and I see from the candlesticks that the market might go down, and I lock in these profits, and then I wait for the market to go down, and then I buy again. So I sell high and I buy low, and the dividends are paid based on the percentage of the stock price. A dividend is the sum of money that a company pays to shareholders from its profit, and dividends are usually paid to me when the company does not reinvest profit but gives it to the shareholders. So there are some stocks which I have bought which pay dividend, and these are some of the stocks that I mainly hold for long term. And I want to give you an example of a dividend share. So since dividends are paid based on the percentage of stock price, they are also called the dividend yield. For example, if a corporation offers an annual dividend of $0.50 per share and you bought 1,000 shares, you could be collecting, since this is an annual dividend of $0.50 per share, you could be collecting $500 annually every year of dividend income if you own 1,000 shares. And as you can see, this is really massive. This is really massive, and it is purely passive income. And you should not ignore this fact. This is why I love choosing good companies which pay dividend. When you sell stocks, the money comes into your Robinhood account. So thanks guys, I will see you all right in the next video. There is a part 2 of this video, and I'll see you right in the next video.